This how to 1 minute will show you how to use the Menu Anchor widget in Elementor. Now I will use the Menu Anchor widget to make a one-page website. So here's I added our services section, and as you can see the service item has added to my menu. So using the Menu Anchor widget, I will add this menu item with this section. So first of all, let's select this section, and here first of all let's click on add widget, and here search for Menu Anchor and simply drag this Menu Anchor to the section. Once it's added, you will get here the ID of Menu Anchor box. Here I'm going to add a unique name for this section, service. Once done, okay, now clicking on update, and I'm going to my WordPress dashboard, and now hover over on appearance and click on menus, and here I'm selecting main menu to edit my main menu, and here we can see my menu items. So here I'm first of all deleting this service item. Once done, let's click on custom links and URL box, type here the ID you just added for the anchor menu. So my ID name is service. So here's I'm giving hash service and link text, typing here service, and now clicking on add to menu. Once it's added, you can change the position of this item, and now let's save the menu. And now let's preview our website. And now if I click on service, as you can see my service section opened. And the same way, let's add this contact section to our navigation menu. So I'm again going to my dashboard, and here's my appearance menu section. First of all, let's remove the existing contact item, and now let's click on custom links. Before that, let's scroll down here and select the contact us section, click on widget and search here Menu Anchor. Simply drag and drop it here, and giving the ID for Menu Anchor contact update, and here I'm typing hash contact for, and here typing, and link text typing contact, add to menu. Once it's added, save menu, and let's reload our website. Let's click on contact. As you can see, my contact section has opened. This is how we can use Menu Anchor widget in Elementor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.